My lawyer.
Who's no, not yet. Do I have an extra number?
I'm arrested. I'm getting arrested. You have to come and get the dogs. They're in my car. He pulled me over and he's looking through the car, Rob. Please come and get it. I'm in all these parking
So
lots.
he can get the dogs, not the car. Her license is suspended. So you can come get the dogs, but not the car. The car's getting towed.
Can I please have the water inside the car?
Yeah, 1 second. We're in the Aldi parking lot right across from Home Depot.
Where is she going?
She's going to go to jail.
So what?
Yo, what's poppin', GE? Thanks, your boy Food. We are back with another banger reaction video. We about to tap in today. We about to tap into traffic stop takes unexpected turn when officer notices this. All right, bet. I'm not gonna hold you guys up. We on some real movery type stuff. You feel me? We getting them out. Gotta get to my people's videos. Sending me through the email and sending me to the Fushnika ENT Instagram DM. Shout out to all my people sending me these videos. We knocking them down today. Okay. With that being said, man, check on my meat priest. How you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually? Tab down the comment section 1 through 10. 5 and under, you need some help. We gotta come pass out some meat priest to you. Feel me? 5 and over, you're doing great. You straight, you maintaining. All I know is when we wake up in the morning, if you're able to open your eyes in the morning, you starting at a 10. Where it goes from there is on you. Don't let nobody else dictate your day, your life, your minute, your hour, second, okay? With that being said, let's get the video to 1,000 likes, 36,000 views. Come in, like the button, hit the like button, tap in the comment section. Let's do our little talkery, how we do, our little laughery in the comment section. You know how we get down. Let's go from there.
Officer sees that the driver has a suspended license. She pulls over, and by her immediate reactions, the officer quickly suspects that she might be hiding something.
I'm sorry.
Hey,
Hello, sir.
hey, your license isn't good.
I'm sorry?
Valerie?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your license is not good.
Why?
It says failure to pay a traffic ticket.
I paid the traffic ticket.
Do you have a registration proof of insurance?
Yes, sir.
Why you shaking, baby? You shaking a little bit.
I'm sorry, sir. It's
Can we stop getting pulled over like this? Can we have our updated registration and insurance at the top of the pile in the booklet, the car booklet, please? You should not be going through all this because that's gonna get them suspicion. You fumbling, put your glasses down to look for something that should already be there. And for most people like me and like probably you guys, the insurance is on the phone. It's right here, digital. What are you fumbling and bumbling for? It's saying sorry, suspicious.
This is your old one.
I do have it, sir. Please bear with me.
Alright, you have proof of insurance?
I have insurance. I have Geico.
Do you have like a proof of insurance on you?
Can I pull it up on my phone?
Sure.
I'm sorry.
Duh.
I can't believe my license is suspended. I have no idea.
And after noticing something odd on her hand, he has her do this.
Right, you can hold back onto this.
Yes, sir.
Step by the car, you can look for it outside.
It's a blacking out. She got the. That's the only thing I can think
Why are you
of.
bleeding out of your hand?
Or the needle
Says
poking.
working at home or building a house.
Really?
With a second officer on scene, the lady becomes more panicked and continues to struggle to find the documents.
Something should just start up, dude.
Okay.
It takes forever to start.
Okay. Oh, cute puppies. What are their names?
They're my bosses.
They're your bosses?
Yeah.
What, you looking for your insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I have insurance.
Who's the insurance through?
Geico?
You can't download the app and look it up? Or is that what you're trying to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Put the gloveries on.
Put your hands on your back.
Didn't say a word.
And with the lady going to jail, officers must appropriately take care of her dogs and inventory her car.
Already going to jail.
Let him talk. We'll figure that out, okay?
All right, your license is suspended. It said you received notice already in July. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to have to go to jail. We'll try to work with you with the dogs. But listen to me. I've been around for a while. You are extremely nervous. You have a needle mark fresh in your hand.
It's
Is
not.
there any needles in the car?
No,
100% sure.
it's not
Yes,
a
it
needle
is.
mark, sir. I work. The house is being built over on Edgewater Canal. May I please call my boss? The puppies. She's
You
not.
come get the dogs. You have no needles on you.
No, sir.
No needles in the car.
No, sir. Search the car, sir.
I'm not searching. I'm inventorying it. It's getting towed.
Put it open to your face.
Don't get yourself poked there, boy.
I didn't give you permission to search the car, sir.
Yeah, he's inventorying it. So we're trying to get so the dogs can go.
Oh,
So nope, you're
She's
staying
worried
right
about it.
he's.
So he's inventorying the car because it's going to get towed because you're being arrested.
But my boss can come and get it, ma'am.
So she's coming to get the dogs.
With the woman's boss not picking up, she becomes increasingly panicked, especially regarding her car.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system 4077. Your call has been forwarded to an
want these
automatic
dogs up here with the pounds, so let's try to
Please, please, just be calm. We'll answer, please.
Don't you have a guy that you live with? You're not home?
I'm calling.
That's who you're calling?
Who else are you trying to call?
Can I call my lawyer?
Who's
No, not yet.
Do I have an extra number?
I'm arrested. I'm getting arrested. You have to come and get the dogs. They're in my car. He pulled me over and he's looking through the car, Rob. Please come and get it. I'm in all these parking
So
lots.
he can get the dogs, not the car. Her license is suspended. So you can come get the dogs, but not the car. The car's getting towed.
Can I please have the water inside the car?
One second. We're in the Aldi parking lot right across from Home Depot.
Where is she going?
She's going to go to jail,
To what jail?
Volusia County Branch Jail.
Call my lawyer, Rob.
Okay.
I don't have a lawyer on Deckery.
I'm in handcuffs, Rob. It's the defense group.
Okay. I don't know if I'll find it.
Yes. All right, so you're heading this way. How long will it be?
Okay. I'm at Fort Orange right now.
Okay.
The dog's gonna be there. Was it both with her in the car?
Yeah, hey, we got an animal control guy coming. If the record gets here before him, we can put him in the dogs in the temporary kennel in the truck, and you can come pick up the dogs.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, you got some time. You got like.
I'll go right now.
All right.
Can you please wipe my eyes? Yeah.
With what?
My
Sure.
shirt.
Hey, you can lift your shirt up.
I'm almost tempted to DUI. There's needles all in the center console.
I didn't give you permission to search the car.
I'm inventorying you. I'm towing your vehicle. That's policy. So you can sit here. We can play games back and forth and all this stuff. I've been doing this for a long time. It's apparent that you just shot up dope and you're driving around my city. It's completely unacceptable.
Ooh, baby. You ain't worried about the dog or he's stepping on the needle? You ain't thinking about the dog like your kids, right? They're your bosses. Dogs probably want up out of there. Like, Fido, get me up out of there. Lay there shooting up needles. The dogs know. Dogs know. They sniff. They know things. Okay? Like, they know what you're doing. You act like You know how people think the kids don't see things, and your kids see things, everything you don't think they see it, and they tell you about it when they get grown. You don't think I saw that, Mom? But I saw that, Dad and Mom. The dog saw it. They want out, okay? She driving around, she gonna get us in wreckery. Then what? You ain't gonna end up in the pound with the rest of the doggeries.
It looks like you failed to pay some type of ticket. That's what it's telling me. It said they gave you notice.
I haven't been home. We're about here now.
Haven't you been to court?
No,
tell you?
I haven't been to court. My lawyer goes to court. I haven't been to court.
Alright, so since he's arresting you, I'm searching you. Do you have anything on you that'll stick and poke me, anything inside of you? Okay. And then, is there
You
a
already
bottle
lied.
in
I
there?
don't trust you.
Okay. Is there water in there that she can have a sip of, or?
I'm sure I'll find it. I'll
Okay.
find it.
If I get stuck, I'm gonna be really
Ma'am, there's
pissed off.
nothing on me.
Unfortunately, we've broken trust. She took a long time to stop and was fucking with something, so just a heads up.
Do you want these glasses to stay in the car?
Yes, please.
There's something, you have nothing on you, right? You go to the jailhouse, it's going to be
I
more
don't have
charges.
anything on me.
Probably got it off to the right, on the wrong foot.
I would not be sticking my hand there. I just
I
would
understand you don't want
not.
to get in trouble, but
I'm gonna fix your hand, okay? I can still fit my finger in there. But I'll loosen it up a little bit, but I can fit a finger in there. Are you gonna want more than that?
You gotta wash down the cocaine. PCP in the needle. Gotta wash it down, baby. Gotta flush it.
We're gonna go sit in my truck, okay? I'll roll down the window, so if he has any more questions.
Can I please call my lawyer?
So that'll be when you get to the jail. Sure.
How do I?
What are you doing? Gonna jump over a bridge? Like, what are you doing?
Okay. I'll roll down the window so it's not as hot.
Valerie is charged with driving under the influence and possession of drug paraphernalia. Under Florida Statute 316.193, when you're operating a motor vehicle while impaired by alcohol, controlled substances, or other intoxicants to the point that a person's normal faculties are impaired, normal faculties including judgment, reaction time, balance, vision, and ability to operate a vehicle safely, you are driving under the influence. This has maximum penalties of up to 6 months in jail, up to a $1,000 fine, 6 to 12 months of license suspension, vehicle impounds, mandatory DUI school and substance abuse evaluation, and probation of up to 1 year. In this specific case, she was also driving on a suspended license, which can increase the amount of penalties depending on her prior history. All subjects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. As always, let me know your honest thoughts.
I'm sorry, she had the lookery. As soon as he pulled over, she had a lookery. Like, you know, I grew up in South Central Los Angeles. I know the lookery when people are on that shit, okay? On top of that, her hair was a little bit wet. You know what I'm saying? A little bit wet from the sweat. Officer said he's been doing it for a while. He can tell. He knows. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why people think they don't. When people get pulled over and have a suspended license, they can say, "I don't give you," and they got to do inventory. It's going to get found out. Like, it's just no getting around it. So maybe you shouldn't drive around your car with your doggies, shooting up the PCP, cocaine, fentanyl, whatever it is. Shouldn't be doing that, okay? And you got a lawyer on deck, so that which means it's not your first time being in trouble. If you got a lawyer on deck, they just used to represent you. It's like, here we go again. Which even Metheny got pulled over for the druggeries? Yes. All right, what's the charge? What other charge? You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. Shout out to my people, though, man. We seeing what other people do, and we're not on that type of timery, okay? We just ain't doing it. We ain't gonna, we just, we don't want to be the people on the road we looking over and like, I'm on the road with you? Like, you know what you could have did? That's a DUI. That's a Dewey. With children in the back. Can't make this shit, man. Listen, shout out to everybody sending me the videos, man. We're going to keep running them down and yanking them through. I'll catch you guys in the next video, man. That's what we do.